that's good. That's so nice. And I'm playing 2 cents. Okay, good. Come on. We need a trigger. Come on, more. More. Come on, more. There you go. Alright, more. Yes, more. One more. Come on, please. Yes. Times 10. Oh, nothing. Come on. Oh, nothing. Bump. There you go. Alright. Come on, more. Oh. That's good. That's good. Alright. Come on, more. Come on, more. Oh. Oh, come on, more. Please. Oh. 13 spin left. Bump. There you go. That's good. Nice. Come on, be nice. Okay, chicken. Chicken is good. Nothing. Come on, more, please. 8 spin. 7 more. Okay, that's good. Come on, more, please. Come on, more, please. Wild. Yes, more. Okay. 14. 14 spin. And guys, this is 2 cents, so that's $30 already. Okay, 10 more spin. Come on, be nice. Bump. There you go. Alright, that's good, that's good. Oh, nothing. Oh, that's come on, that's good. Nice. Come on, wild. More wild. Oh, no wild. Come on. Yay. Oh, nothing. Wow. 5 more spin. Come on, wild, please. Wild. Yes, come on, wild. Wild. Oh. 4 more. Okay, that's good. That's $40 already. And I'm playing my free games. Free play. Come on, be nice. Oh, that's good. That's good, that's good, that's good. That's super good. Times 10. Nice. Oh, nothing. 2 more left. Come on, be nice. Oh. Be nice. Okay, come on, wild. Oh, last spin. Last spin. Okay. That's $66, $68. $68. It's a big win for 2 cents. And plus I have a free play, $32. So it's a big win. Yeah, there you go, guys.